So I went to the brew shop to buy stuff to make a serving line. I can't find my serving line since I moved. And I saw these nifty things, I just had to make a video about it. So we're all familiar with a regular hose clamp. They're relatively inexpensive. I paid 75 cents for this stainless one. That's probably overpriced. But next to them were butterfly hose clamps. Oh my goodness, such a great idea. They were way more expensive, like $2.50, a little bit more. So, you know, way more expensive. I can't wait to see how they work. But depending on your application, I mean, in a lot of applications you put it on and it stays there forever. But there may be applications where you're going to be on and off a lot. In which case, use one of these guys. So I'm going to make a line here, a serving line, and we'll see how those work.